So we'll just see what's over here, since I've never been here before. A lot more smoother, that's for sure. It's almost 7 in the morning. Guys, I woke up early this morning just for this ride. We're gonna be coming across 98 somewhere around here. This takes you to the main drag of the trail. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to turn on my trail tracking device. Oh well. That stinks. I'm hearing traffic now. Yeah, I couldn't see myself walking this trail. No way. It's a long ways. All right, so this is basically heading towards the highway here. Pretty much coasting now. It's a long ways. Got a nice little sit down place right here. I don't want to sit down because I know that if I sit down, I'm going to get eaten up by mosquitoes. We're pretty much at the highway here. Nice ride. All right, so there's the highway right there, and this is the Fort Fraser Trail we're crossing. This is a bike trail right here. This goes out miles upon miles right here.